The administration has to focus on the energy sector. No? Kailangan tayong maglagay ng mga new power plants because hindi naman lumiliit ang requirements. The population is growing, industries are growing, business is growing. We need more power plants to ensure dapat proportionate yan, no, sa paglaki ng ating populasyon and businesses. Kung ano ang makapagbibigay ng stable power supply and reasonable power supply, I think it has to be mix of a little of everything, renewable and yung base load energy. That can be coal-fired power plants, LNG, or even nuclear, no, in the future. But renewables, of course, is very popular, environment friendly. Pero ang kailangan natin is a stable power supply that will only be supplied by a base load plant, meaning kung hindi man coal-fired, petroleum-fired, LNG, or nuclear. So it has to be a mix. Kung pwedeng 70-30, yung renewables kasi is a good alternative, but it's intermittent, no? Yung solar, wind, and hydro, intermittent yan eh. You cannot really rely them. Pero maganda siya kung maging supplement. Pero siguro kung 70-30% mix of renewable and the base load power plants, that will be good enough. I think yung mga power plants natin, siguro those that really conked out, yung mga nag-bug down, talagang may mga luma na tayong power plants, no? And may mga bago tayo pero kakaunti eh. And I would say at the rate we are going, that we are trying to catch up with our neighbors, again, yung population and the business growing, we need more power plants to ensure that we have a steady base load. I would like to reiterate that administration has to prioritize infrastructure and energy, no? Right now, may red and yellow alert. That would definitely affect business, no? Kasi yan ang tinitignan naman ng investors eh, di ba? Hindi naman yung konstitusyon natin at tinitignan yan, is it feasible to do business in the Philippines? Magandang infrastructure nila, no? Nandiyan ba, maganda ba yung infra, maganda ba yung services, internet, everything? Is there stable power supply and reasonably priced? So if you want to really encourage foreign direct investments and for us to be able to compete with ASEAN neighbors, we really have to focus on those two things.